it is not accidental why the Hindus are the most contributing richest ethnic minority, not just in United States of America or in Australia. Almost every country they have settled down. More than 100 countries. I wanted to repeat. I'm talking from the statistics. More than 100 countries. Hindus have spread all over the world. In every country, every territory, Hindus are there. But in more than 100 countries, Hindus are the richest, peaceful, happily coexisting, lowest crime, and richest ethnic minority in more than 100 countries. In more than 100 countries, Hindus are the richest ethnic minority. It is not accidental, because the very philosophy is gender equality centered. The very principle is gender equality centered. That brings multiple advantages, like most stable family. If you see the divorce rate, the lowest divorce rate among any religion is Hindus. Whether it is the social education which is useful for the life, career, money making, or the spiritual education, highest educated are the Hindus. All these advantages are because the remnants of the gender equality ideas existed in the past and continuing in the present. All the best things Hindus are enjoying. Lowest crime rate, lowest drug addiction, lowest mental disorders, lowest hospitalization. I can list all the benefits Hindus are enjoying in United States based on the statistics. Literally no gang. Hindus have no gang and no gang violence. Even though almost 3 million Hindus are living in USA, the Hindu settlement areas are the most peaceful. The reason is gender equality is a lifestyle for the Hindus even now. Of course, surely it is much less than the past. How it was in the past, the present is reduced. But now it is time we revive and we head back to the future. Please understand, I am trying to coin a new word. We bring the past back to the future in a most glorious way, in the best way for the modern day humanity